Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Wallworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Clinton or 10
Confirmed
miles west of
tornado!
Clinton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, public confirmed tornado near Clinton. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh my God!
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Record the sirens! Record the sirens!
Active include Clinton, Darien, and Allen's Grove. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is News Weather Radio.
Oh my gosh! Guys, take cover! Take cover! There's a tornado on the ground! I repeat, there is a tornado on the ground! You guys need to take cover!
Oh my God! You know when there's going to be tornado warning!
Record the sirens! Then take cover!
This one's going off.
Okay, my
tornado on the ground. I see a hook on radar.
wait, let me go on the radar. Oh my gosh.